2, 1, launch.
Today, we're going to show you how to make a catapult. We're going to be using large popsicle sticks, a plastic spoon, 4 rubber bands, and a ping pong ball, so we have something to launch. Now we're going to show you how to put it all together. First, you're going to take 7 popsicle sticks and make a block, just like this. And then you're going to put a rubber band around each end of it. Tighten it up real good. You want them to stay together. This is going to be like a wedge that you're going to stick in between 2 other popsicle sticks. So set that aside. Take the other 2 popsicle sticks, and we're going to do the same thing to one end. We're going to wrap that rubber band around really good. Make it good and tight. Okay, just like that. Then you're going to open up these 2 popsicle sticks. You're going to stick the wedge inside there. Now you see that it moves, and so we actually have to stabilize that with another rubber band. Now, it doesn't really matter how you do this, just make sure you wrap it around there pretty good. You don't have to do it exactly the way I'm doing it, but you just want to get it attached. Otherwise, your wedge will never stay in there. Now, you can actually adjust your catapult by pushing the wedge further in. See how that angle changes? It doesn't want to stay really, really good because there's a lot of tension in there, but you can move it further out, you can move it further in. That's how that works. That's pretty handy for adjusting. Now, you can use a spoon or you could choose not to use a spoon, but I always use a spoon because it gives me an extra place or a better place to actually put something on the catapult to launch. It holds it better. So all I did was stick the spoon under the rubber bands that were already there, and I've got a spot for what I want to launch. So this is what it looks like. I usually pull back on the popsicle stick itself and not the spoon, because sometimes the spoon wants to slip around. So I'll just kind of pull back like that. So I'll put my ping pong ball there. See how it sits really nicely in the spoon? And pull back. And launch my ping pong ball.
Now, one of the scientific principles that we can observe in this is that of kinetic and potential energy. Now, whenever we stretch back the arm here, there's potential energy being stored in the stretch of the rubber bands, and also you can see in the bend of the popsicle sticks. And when we release it, that potential energy now becomes kinetic, and that's what launches our object.
Now make sure that you're not launching things at people or animals or anything like that. You don't want to break things with this. You want to learn from it. You want to have fun with it. Launch different things. We launched a ping pong ball. You can launch a cotton ball, marshmallow. We've even launched pennies with it. So launch different things and see which one goes the furthest. But above all, be careful. Have fun with it.